Hey guys, today we're going to be doing Mini System Test 7 with the Firelite MS-4 demo board. Today I am joined with...
Firelite MS-13.
And...
Ryan.
Yeah. Alright, and in this test we have the Spectralert Classic, we have the System Sensor i3, and we have an NBD12LX, which I took the module out of. And obviously we have the Firelite MS-4, which is all wired up, but with the battery hack. So guys, should I do the i3 or the NBD10LX first?
BD10.
Alright, BD10. 3, 2, 1. Sounds very weird. Alright. And that was not very loud. I'm going to go ahead and reset that. And I'm going to go ahead and reset the panel. And it's going to go into NAC fault. Alright. And should I do the test button or the smoke saber?
Smoke saber.
Alright, here we go. Hopefully that's... Alright, and I smoked this thing. There it goes. Well, that was a pretty simple system test.
Detector out with a textbook, like me.
Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me, Ryan and Firelite MS-13. And I will see you in the next system test. Thanks for watching.